Hello, friends. Today we will meet a big happy elephant.
Hello, I'm Ellie the Elephant. I am happy.
Ellie loves to splash in the water. When Ellie is with friends, she is happy. Can you say happy elephant?
Happy elephant, happy elephant, happy elephant.
Great job. See you next time with another animal friend.
Hello, hello, here comes Ellie, a happy elephant, big and friendly, splash in the water, stomp, 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 smile with her friends, jump, 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 Ellie the elephant, happy all day, swinging her trunk in a funky way, Ellie the elephant, sing along too, Ellie is happy and so are you.
Happy elephant, happy elephant.